Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through how to fill out the My Flooring Plan sheet for your floor plans and your career and all that stuff. So up here where your career is, you're going to type that in. So say architect. If it ends up going off, just delete a couple of the spaces there. Flooring budget, I don't know without looking at it, but I'm just going to say 6,000. So I've got the top filled out. Now, you'll see my example on the top of your sheet when you get to it too, but I just want to go through how I want you to fill it out. So the room here, you're going to type in what room you are doing. If you go to your flooring floor plans here, you can see they have very specific rooms labeled. Great room is like a living room, gathering might be like a dining room area. The bigger the house you have, the more rooms that you have, okay? The one room, so if you are a physician, architect, or pharmacist, there's a couple letters here. So this is the master bathroom dimensions, and then this is actually a huge walk-in closet right here. So you can see the dimensions for that. It does say WIC, but it's covered up by the numbers. Okay, so if you see WIC, like here's one, but there's no dimensions, that's a walk-in closet. If there is a room and there are no dimensions, then you are not doing that room. It has to have dimensions to it. But your nook here can be a separate room from the kitchen and the great room because they each have their own dimensions. Okay? So this is where you are getting the dimensions from, is from your floor plans. Now if you come back to your sheet here, so I plugged in my dimensions of my living room. Notice it is an architecture scale, so I've got the quotation marks that label feet and inches. Now I'm going to convert them to decimal feet. So my 18 from over here is already in feet, so I do not need to do anything. I type in 18. I'll pull up a calculator. I'm going to take 3 divided by 12 to get the decimal feet, which is 0.25. So my 18 feet 3 inches converted is 18.25 feet. Now I need to convert my 21, and so 6 inches divided by 12 is 0.5. So I've converted my dimensions of my room to decimal feet. Now I'm going to find out the square feet of that room so that I can order my flooring. So you're going to take the 18.25 times 21.5 and you get 392.375. We're just going to round it to the second decimal place. So 392.38 feet. Okay, flooring choice. So you're going to go to some of those links I put on your direction sheet, one of them being Menards. So I went and chose a flooring already, okay? What you are going to do is you are going to highlight the floor title, okay? Copy and paste it into your chart. Obviously it's going to be super big. I would just make it smaller so it doesn't take up so much room, or so your chart isn't like 15 pages long. And you're going to go back to your site here, and what you're going to do is you're going to choose the link at the top here, right click, copy that link, go to your chart. If you right click the words that you have selected there, you can actually add a link to them. And we're going to make a link there. So what this does is it lets me click on your chart and go see your flooring, okay, to verify that your numbers are correct and everything like that. The next item on your chart is cost per square feet. So you'll see numbers like this where it's per carton. That's what CTN means, carton or container. Okay. What number we need is this individual one, $3.19 a square foot. Okay. We are going to, and you'll have a dollar sign. Don't get confused by this one up here. This is how many square feet are in a carton or a container. Okay, you want this one right here, $3.19. There's a dollar sign, so that means it's per. So I'm going to add that in right here. Okay, now I'm going to figure out the cost for my room. So I'm going to take this number, 319, and I'm going to multiply it by the square feet of my room. Oops. And that gives me my total cost. So my total cost is $1,251.69. Now, why did I choose this flooring? This is where you're going to revert back to that slideshow in your directions, and you're going to explain why you chose the certain flooring. So I chose vinyl plank, which is luxury vinyl flooring. So I would come back here and I would look at the reasons again and choose why. Okay. Major reason for me would be it doesn't scratch. I have a dog. I don't want it to get all scratched up. So I would come back to my chart here. I chose this flooring because we own a dog and the vinyl plank or luxury vinyl flooring doesn't scratch. And I would come up maybe with another reason as well to add to my reason why. And it's easy to install, for example. Okay? Then I'm done with the living room. You are going to repeat this for 10 of the rooms. Okay? And you must use different flooring for the rooms. If you use at least 3 different kinds of flooring, that's a B. Okay, so I'm looking for you to go above and beyond in your rooms.